Obviously we get asked a lot, what's the difference between KCK lubricants and everybody else? And it's a great question. So what we're going to do is we're going to break it up into a few small videos and we'll try to explain the fundamentals of what sets us apart. Extended oil service life isn't something we set out to achieve in the beginning, but is more a byproduct of creating a quality product to begin with. The use of the virgin base stocks is incredibly important. No recycled components whatsoever in any of our oil products. The blending technique is also hugely important. Our controlled blending process under heat bonds the oil in a way that nobody else is doing and gives fantastic results. The premium additives is also a huge part of it, and the shear stability we've achieved from this is second to none. And the shear stability as measured is the oil's ability to survive under extreme pressures without permanently altering the viscosity of the oil. And we're up there with the best of them. And this is all put together is the reason why we can achieve such a long service life out of all our oil products. And it's often up to twice the oil life of many of the competitors, or many of the conventional oil companies that we're competing against. And the benefit of extended service life is not only financial, it's time, it's one less thing the guys have got to do between rounds, and it also lessens the chance of contaminating the engine with dust when the filter's off, even within the new filter, while the oiling system's apart being flushed or whatever's necessary. So incredibly important, we're really proud of it, up to double the service life in our oil products over the competitors. Stay up to date with what's going on, click the subscribe button. If you liked the video or if it was helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your buddies. Any suggestions on future content, leave a comment below. We will be checking it. Thanks for watching.